Hello and welcome to Eurocharged Boston. Today we are talking about an R230. This covers 55, 63, 550, 350, you name it, all of the R230 body. The concern in here is bubbling in the leather, and sometimes the client would report water accumulating in this area right behind the seat, or water drippage right here on the seat, or water dripping from the roof mechanism when it's raining. The reason is almost always a plugged drain right in here. I should take a moment in here to pause the video and remind everybody to support the roof when performing this kind of work. Make no mistake, the roof is very heavy, and if it comes down because the hydraulic support gives up, or if the shocks are no longer supporting the roof, it will come down full force. And make no mistake, God forbid, if it happens with while your finger is in the seal, you will lose a finger. So always support the roof properly, either with a Mercedes tool or in a pinch, just put a cardboard box and rest the roof on it, and that will be sufficient to prevent the roof from coming down. And the best way to find out what it is to actually stick your finger in the seal right here and look at it from the other side. If you cannot see your finger in here, then you can feel the hole, but if you cannot see your finger through, then the hole is plugged. So get a appropriate tool, unclog it, there we go, get the dirt out. Now you can probably see my finger through the hole right in there. There we go, the hole is unplugged. So always clean this area. Always clean this area if you get water drippage inside. Once this is unplugged, water no longer accumulates in this area and goes through the seal down and into the drain, into the hose and underneath the car. Good luck.